Hello, everyone. I'm Bill, and welcome to Bill's Odds and Ends. If this is your first time here, be sure and subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of all of my new videos. Also, give this video a thumbs up as it really helps the channel out. And now, on with the video.
Okay, we're at the Beach Club, and this is our room 459. You will notice that all of the studio rooms are pretty much alike. Connecting door, front door, little entryway, mirror, place to hang your jacket. And we come in here, we have the bathroom. Vanity sink. All right, I guess it. Closet, ironing board. Digital safe, vacuum cleaner. Looks like a mop bucket even, broom. And then we go around this way. Mirror. Vanity. Different from our other room, this one doesn't have any storage down there. All it's got is a shelf, no drawers. Just a single sink. And behind door number 2 is the bathroom. And this one has the little fancier shower head on it. Shelf for all the toiletries. These rooms have been refurbished. So yeah, everything's a little newer. And right across from the bathroom, again, we have the kitchen. We have microwave, toaster, utensils, paper towel. Oh, I love that's a nice detail on those. Sorry for the shadow. Cups. Hey, real coffee mugs. Ice bucket, paper towels, coffee maker, sink, fridge, trash and recycle. And then we walk into the living room. This is where it gets a little more interesting. Have a bed, nice mirror by the bed, stand, the couch, pull-out couch, and in this ottoman, I sit down here for a minute, has a drawer, and I believe it has a drawer on both sides. Probably where I'm going to keep my clothes. A lamp, table and 2 chairs. We'll come back to that. Big screen TV. We'll open the curtains here. And oh, 2 locks on the door. This is our balcony. And I got the street down there. 2 chairs, table. I believe right through those trees is Epcot. So the trees are probably going to block us from seeing illuminations, but I'm sure we'll be able to hear it. But anyway, the cool thing on some of these refurb rooms, and I'm not sure I can do this one-handed, you pull the chairs back out of the way. And you press this button right here. And I guess you got to press them both. All right, maybe I can't do it one-handed. Ah, there, I got it on that. So the table folds up, becomes the bed foot stand for the bed, and we have Donald and a beach chair. That is so cool. And more storage on either side. And we got a Mickey from housekeeping. So that's our room at the beach club. Hope you enjoyed the tour. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
This has been an odd production. Thanks for watching.